You want to switch it on, see if we got any fire in the hole? What?
Oh. How about you? I'm Hank. Welcome to Hamiltonville Farm. I got Wiley with me today. What's up, buddy?
We back at it again, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, we've got a really cool, what's the technical term for this truck? Not a log hauler or a 10-wheeler, because we used to call grain trucks 10-wheelers.
Right.
Yeah, so what's the technical name for this?
Well, I believe it's a Chevrolet Kodiak.
Yeah, I mean, is it with the log stuff on the back?
Well, that's an add-on.
Oh, okay.
You can't get that from the factory.
Yeah, that's that man.
It comes under a shade tree. You have to back under a shade tree to have this mounted. And they just converted a cabin chassis instead of and they put a log rack on it rather than a van or anything like that bed.
Yeah. So anyway, this one's going to present a few challenges for us today, right? So we got to get it cranked up, but you can see it's been, how many years it's been sitting here?
A long time.
A long time.
Look
right?
at it.
Look at. We'll show you the windows.
It's
And
lonely.
we'll do a quick tour of it here in a minute. But so we got a few challenges. We got to get it cranked up. But first of all, we got to figure out how to get it moved out of this spot so we can actually work on it. So that's the first challenge we'll do. And then after that, we'll figure out if we can actually start it, and then maybe drive it around a little bit and figure out something to do with it. You know.
What kind of engine you think's in that Chevrolet?
Well, I'm hoping it's diesel. Because if it's gas, I don't.
You ate that razor sharp cereal this morning.
That's right. I really did. You know. So what is it?
I don't know.
We're about to find out.
Let's
find out what engine's in it.
Let's see what this is inside. Oh yeah, Hank.
Yes, sir.
It has a El Detroit.
Oh, good. It's got the old Michigan Munster in it, huh? I just made that up, Wiley. That's pretty funny, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. That means it'll crank.
Sure. Well, the Detroits is tough, aren't they?
Yeah.
Got a fan. Look at the air conditioner system in it. Oh, this guy wasn't playing.
Yeah, he was big time in it. Did you notice if it had a key in it?
Let's look, Chad.
I don't see any accessories.
No. They didn't have keys back in the day.
That's right. Let's get this thing out of here, dude. Let's work on it.
Let's see if we got any battery. Uh-oh. It's time to break out the crescent wrench. Look at there.
It's messy back here, bud.
Yes, it is. Hank, I brought a crescent wrench today.
What? Look at you. I'm really proud.
And this right here is an old one.
Is it?
Yeah. Can you pronounce that word there?
Crestology. Who's that from? Are they still in business?
I looked them up. They made them in the 30s.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious.
That's awesome, dude.
I was given this. He said, make sure that I did not go through any government roadblocks. I don't know what he was talking about.
That's awesome, dude.
So it must have come from some top secret.
That's right. Yeah. Cool, dude.
It is.
Crestology. And it works like a chant.
It does. Oh, just a minute. What's this?
Look at that.
Did you know that?
That's crazy.
Looks like a 2 battery.
Looks like it. Good thing we brought 6 of them.
You want to crank it in? Try to crank it in the bush?
If you want.
Yeah.
And then drive it out?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do that.
That'd be awesome. Well.
I got fuel. So, but I brought gas.
Yeah, that makes a bit. Do you bring any ether? Detroit's love ether. I mean, they're hooked on it.
They're hooked on it.
Yeah.
I can see somebody's been using lubricating oil to. Yeah. Hey, gunk liquid wrench. These people know what's up.
Yeah.
All right, cool. All right, let's do it. Oh, you can see the engine coming through here thing.
Yeah. What do you call that?
A doghouse?
Dog box, isn't it?
Well,
When you put that cover over it, it's the dog box.
Yeah.
Could be the dog house.
It's got keys in it. All right. Yeah, we're crank. It's going to be the easiest one we've ever done, Wiley.
Hank, I noticed you got a new cable here.
Yes, I had a little accident on the other one.
How can you have an accident with a cable?
Well, let's not tell nobody about that. So I was trying to use it as a tow strap, basically.
For the viewing audience, this is the tow strap that one Hank Hamilton was trying to use. Continue, sir. Hank,
What's up, buddy?
did you get a fancier?
Listen, I've turned into a professional battery cable cleaner. After I saw how that white day cab Peterbilt Firedoll.
Yeah.
I was like, man, that's all right there.
Are you ready for some batteries?
I think so. One of these days we're going to get batteries that are the same height.
Why? Oh, I see why. It may work. This thing's going to start so fast. That was the easiest battery hookup we've had since we started this business.
I saw you beating a while ago.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll actually do one where we don't have to beat the...
I want to show you something, Hank. I brought a pocket knife today.
Look at you, Wiley. I can't... Listen. I did... you brought a pocket knife.
And a crescent wrench.
And a crescent wrench. I don't know what to think. I don't know what to make of you anymore. Where's Wiley and what have you done with him?
I'm just trying to catch up to you.
You got a long way to go, buddy.
I know it. I don't think I'll get there.
I told you I didn't get this fat and ugly overnight. You know what I mean?
Well, I would hope not.
Wiley, on a serious note, these things I've never in my life not had to jerry rig a battery cable, so this is a good sign. It's going to fire right up.
I concur. You want to switch it on, see if we got any fire in the hole? What?
Oh, we've got lights on the dash. Let me bump it over.
No, let's check the oil first. What if it fires right up, Hank?
Well, then it's got oil in it.
And I tell you something else, Hank, not a single wasp nest, right?
Oh, I didn't even look. Yeah, not a single wasp nest.
Wow.
That's crazy. All right, you want to crank open this hood?
Let's do the hood. Check the oil in the water.
My latch is good on this side, Wiley.
Well, Hank, you know what made me think, realize it was a Chevrolet, or made me think it was a Chevrolet Kodiak?
What's that?
Oh,
there you go. That's almost as cool as those Mac emblems.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. They did it right back in the day, didn't they?
They did. 1978, that's the year I graduated.
Man, you're old.
1977 was the year Elvis died.
Yeah, August 16th.
You remember where you was?
I do. Charlotte, North Carolina. Oh my word, look at all that.
Uh-oh.
We're gonna upset some rodents. We're making progress, Wiley.
Hank, I'm not for sure, but I believe that's what you were calling 0238 Detroit.
238?
Yes.
Let me tell you what I did. I did all that just for some engine exhaust emissions, some emission control information.
Okay, that's important too.
You know, that's important.
Yeah.
Engine exhaust emission control information to 1970. It's applicable to 1978. There's your filler cap. Oh yeah, she's nice and black. On a serious note, man, my right shoulder.
Oh Lord.
There you go. Nice and easy. What's this right here, Wally? Power steering?
Yeah, that's it. Power steering reservoir.
Well, good thing we ain't driving it for.
Yeah.
Okie dokie, let's try it.
All righty.
You do the honors, young man.
Me?
Yeah.
You so nice. You not gonna get any of the good stuff, or we just gonna see how she turns?
Yeah, see how she turns and then we'll see.
How about sticking the fuel? You wanna see if we got any fuel?
Oh, duh. Yeah, we probably need to.
It sounds low, but I do see my reflection.
Oh, she's making fuel. You should have never taught me that saying, Wiley.
Ready?
First crank in years. Wow. That's insane, dude. It's going to hit.
Let's get some ether and give it a little help. 183,945 miles, Hank.
Wow.
Here we go. Any smoke coming at all? You got any white fuel smoke?
Not from this side.
Just keep trying it. Maybe it just needs to build up some fuel pressure.
There it goes.
Let's see if we get any fire right there, Hank.
Yeah, it ain't nothing.
Put the hot right there and let's see if we got any hot to. Oh yeah. So, as we always do,
We'll just force feed it.
we'll see if it does anything. That darn thing. Where's the pressure wrench at?
Is that too long or something?
Yeah. I got it though, Hank. Just have to persevere.
So our first challenge was we need to make sure that we have enough, we can turn all the lights on and all that good stuff. Now we got there, we're facing another challenge now. It's we got to get the fuel to the motor, and that's going to be our engine. And that seems to be a little challenging right now, but if I know why, he can get this fixed. But once we get it fired up, we're still not quite out of the woods yet. We got to get this thing rolling.
Turn it over, Hank. Let's see if it does anything any better.
All right. Ready?
Yeah.
Nothing.
Ooh, I burned a hole in that.
What'd you burn a hole in? That wire?
It got red right there. I was doing something that wasn't proper.
I never knew of you to do something that wasn't proper. What you thinking?
You don't have a filter wrench, right?
I do.
Okay, let's borrow that.
Yeah, you need a ratchet in there.
Let's see. That would be tight, so I'm gonna need to go the other way. And let's try. Got a screwdriver or something?
I'm a little weak in the screwdriver department.
Well, that should be. I'm not even sure I can get it filed like this, but we can see. Jeez.
How about, I ain't got a piece of rebar. Is that long enough?
Yeah. Anything to
Get up in there. There you go. Come on, babe.
that sucker's on there.
Are you not tightening that?
I may not be a smart man, but I know the difference between Lucy.
Hey, there you go. So here's a cool trick for you guys out there. If you're ever out in the field and you don't have a filter wrench, use a ratchet strap. Put that strap around there, and then it's like almost like a tourniquet, if you will. That'll help solve your problems with your filters.
Let's pour this thing full of fuel and.
Okay. Look at that.
Well, you sure can. Hank, if you spill, it's not going to be but a nickel.
No, man, I care about Mother Nature.
Oh. Whoa. Whoa. One with nature.
Go to my Amazon link there to get you a Sure Can. Those things are handy. Uno mas. Say when, boss.
Gwen. Come on.
Give me pump gas, fuel.
Yeah, just say what you want to do.
There you go.
Oh, we're getting somewhere now.
Yeah, buddy.
We're getting some smoke. You see that smoke? That's fuel smoke.
That's awesome.
Seems like we're gonna have to probably turn around and hook that dirge to put your jumper cables to it.
All right, boss.
All right,
Say when.
when?
Yeah. Good stuff, buddy. I kind of wanted the backhoe.
Got to build up there.
What's that?
Is the air building up?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah. Wiley. That's amazing, ain't it,
Listen
dude?
to that thing. Wrong.
Yeah.
Wrong. I'm telling you, that's tough engine.
Oh, dude.
They are.
That's first starting probably 30 years. I would say 30 years.
Okay. I mean, I'm thinking it not for 43 years old. I'm thinking it probably was running 13 years later.
I don't want to do that math in my head.
It's been a long time, Hank, because look, the cedar on the back is
Oh, yeah.
showing age too.
I mean, we ain't grew cedar since the 60s.
No. Count the rings on it. They cut it when it was little.
Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh. There it goes. Look at that. Look at that. That is awesome. Where you going, Wiley?
Hank, I think it needs a filter. But you run, don't you?
Yeah. Good enough, right? Wiley.
Well, that was quite a ride, Hank.
Yeah, it was. It was awesome.
That thing beat so much it knocked my microphone off my
I
shirt.
see that, man. Good job, buddy. Give me some of that right there.
Yeah.
You did good, man. Proud of you. So if you like watching videos of us crank up old equipment and stuff, especially Wiley, he's really the kind of the genius here. But
Oh, stop.
watch this video right here. You guys take care. God bless.